Cooking in 2026 honestly feels completely different now. I thought some of these genius kitchen gadgets would be unnecessary, but gadget number 4 made cooking faster, cleaner, and way easier than I expected. And number 15 somehow feels even smarter. Enjoy crispy, grilled flavor straight from your microwave with this microwave grill pan with lid. Perfect for browning meats, crisping sandwiches, and grilling vegetables. It delivers fast, even cooking without a stovetop. The multi-use griddle and crisper tray design makes meals quick, easy, and delicious. Convenient microwave-safe cookware for just $40. Transform your kitchen with the smart IMD multifunction auto dough food processor. Featuring a powerful 1700W motor, 2L capacity, Wi-Fi and app control, plus access to over 300 built-in recipes, this all-in-one machine can mix, knead, steam, cook, blend, and more with precision temperature and 10-speed control. Complete with multiple accessories, LCD display, and advanced safety protection, it's the ultimate smart cooking assistant. All for just $1,099. Enjoy hot meals anywhere with this 3.5L 2-layer electric lunchbox, just $36. With 90W fast heating and a 304 stainless steel detachable liner, it warms food quickly and safely. Featuring multi-voltage support for car, truck, home, or office, it's the perfect portable solution for fresh, warm meals on the go. Cook crispy, delicious meals with the powerful Vuesign 6.8 QD10 in one air fryer. Featuring 10 cooking functions, fast 400 degrees Fahrenheit heating, a visible cooking window, and an adjustable bottom heater for extra crispy results. This 1700W air fryer makes healthy cooking easy and convenient. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and large 6.8 QD capacity, it's perfect for family meals. All for just $54. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Power up your kitchen with the versatile TechWood 7.5-quart 2-in-1 electric skillet multi-cooker. Featuring a spacious 7.5-quart capacity, 5 adjustable heat settings, and a removable non-stick skillet pan and cooking pot, it's perfect for frying, simmering, steaming, and more. With powerful 1500W heating and dishwasher-safe parts, cooking and cleanup are effortless. All for just $87. Make every meal faster and easier with the comfy 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This 6-quart powerhouse combines a pressure cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, slow cooker, sauté pan, and steamer all in one compact design. With a non-stick pot and 12 smart cooking functions, it's the perfect kitchen upgrade for delicious meals at just $82. Cook, grill, steam, and enjoy all your favorite meals with the N73 SNA Hot Pot Electric Non-Stick Multi-Cooker. This 2.5-quart portable cooker features a non-stick, PFOA-free design with adjustable power settings for everything from ramen and soup to steak and fried rice. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion for quick and delicious meals. All for just $100. Serve pizza like a pro with the 17 by 13.5 bamboo pizza peel cutting board 2-in-1. A stylish 2-in-1 pizza peel and cutting board made from durable bamboo. Featuring dual grip handles and a large surface, it's perfect for baking, slicing, and serving homemade pizzas with ease. This complete pizza accessory set brings restaurant-style convenience to your kitchen for just $34. Enjoy delicious barbecue-style meals at home with the 3-in-1 electric hot dog roller grill. This portable cooker features a non-stick smokeless grill, removable barbecue griddle plate, and stainless steel roller system that fits up to 9 sausages at once. Perfect for family parties, quick snacks, and indoor grilling fun, all for just $50. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup, all for just $50. Protect your countertops in style with this acrylic cutting board with counter lip. Its clear, modern design adds an aesthetic touch to any kitchen, while the non-slip surface keeps chopping safe and stable. Perfect as a countertop protector or stylish kitchen gadget, it's durable, easy to clean, and a great housewarming gift. All for just $17. Enjoy healthy cooking and soothing drinks with the Health Pot 1.5L double-layer glass electric kettle. This 9-in-1 programmable kettle lets you make soup, porridge, herbal tea, and more with ease. Featuring a stylish glass touch panel, stainless steel base, and double-layer glass design, it combines elegance and convenience for only $70. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized 17-piece cookware set. Featuring durable non-stick surfaces, this complete set includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and griddle for all your cooking needs. Built for even heating and easy cleanup, it's also dishwasher safe for maximum convenience. Stylish, durable, and perfect for everyday cooking. All for $200. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the Genecook Salad Chopper with bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Create crispy, flavorful meals with the versatile Full-Will 6QD12 in 1 air fryer. Featuring 12 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, plus a convenient viewing window and powerful 1700W heating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This air fryer makes cooking fast and easy. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and family-size capacity, it's perfect for parties and everyday meals. All for just $70. Cook pasta quickly and easily with the Tefura microwave pasta cooker. This 2.2L BPA-free pasta boat lets you make spaghetti, noodles, rice, and vegetables without boiling water on the stove. Featuring a smart double strainer lid for easy draining and dishwasher-safe design for fast cleanup, it's the perfect time-saving kitchen tool. All for just $18. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSDBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter Plate Gripper Set. Perfect for instant pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Cook smarter and serve delicious meals with the Magnifique 4-quart programmable casserole slow cooker. This versatile 8-in-1 cooker features a removable non-toxic stoneware crock, rice cooking function, non-stick surface, and an oven-safe pot up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for slow-cooked casseroles, soups, and family dinners, all in one stylish design for $180. Upgrade your kitchen with the stylish electric automatic salt and pepper grinder set. This automatic grinder set features adjustable coarseness, one-touch operation, and a modern green design perfect for any home. Ideal for cooking lovers, new homeowners, or as a thoughtful gift for mom. All for just $27. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Meet the Zojirushi Zudo 5-cup coffee maker, compact, stylish, and built for great taste every morning. This sleek red brewer features a removable water tank for easy filling, a charcoal water filter for cleaner flavor, and a durable, PFAS-free design you can trust. Perfect for small kitchens, it delivers rich, smooth coffee without the hassle, all for just $90. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Make lunch fun and mess-free with this sandwich cutter and sealer set. Easily create crustless, sealed sandwiches in triangle, circle, or square shapes. Perfect for kids' lunchboxes and bento meals. It's quick, safe, and turns ordinary bread into fun, bite-sized snacks kids will love. Great for school lunches, and only $16. Upgrade your kitchen with this 24-inch induction cooktop. Featuring 4 powerful burners, Bridge SYNC for larger cookware, and 3 preset modes with booster for rapid heating. The sleek glass surface includes timer, pause, and child lock for safe, precise cooking, modern performance made effortless. Unlock rich flavor the traditional way with the Chef Sophie 1.5-cup mortar and pestle set. Crafted from unpolished heavy granite for superior grinding performance and a natural organic look. Perfect for crushing herbs, spices, garlic, and making fresh guacamole or sauces with ease. Durable, stylish, and built to last, this premium kitchen essential is yours for just $30. Save space and simplify cooking with this 5-piece kitchen gadget set. Designed with a smart stackable design, these compact tools are perfect for small kitchens, RVs, and campers. Durable, dishwasher safe, and easy to store, this all-in-one blue gadget set makes meal prep fast and convenient. All for just $10. Bake fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with the Zojirushi BB HAC 10 mini bread maker. Just $270. This compact, programmable machine makes perfect 1-pound loaves with customizable settings for dough, cake, and more. Easy to use and space-saving, it delivers bakery-quality results right from your kitchen. Make cherry prep fast and mess-free with the 2026 upgraded cherry pitter. This smart 7-in-1 tool removes pits quickly with extra-large slots that fit more cherries at once. The transparent pit cup reduces splatter and keeps your kitchen clean while making cherry jam, desserts, or snacks. Dishwasher safe, easy to use, and only $18. Perfect for every fruit lover's kitchen. Cook delicious family meals with the versatile Imusa 6.9 QT Bistro Serra ceramic Caldero Dutch oven. Featuring durable aluminum construction, a non-stick ceramic interior, and a clear glass lid, this 6.9-quart pot is perfect for rice, stews, soups, and traditional recipes. Stylish, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday cooking. All for just $25. Enjoy cleaner, fresher drinking water with the water filter pitcher with 150-gallon filtration. Featuring long-lasting 150-gallon filtration, fast purification technology, and WQA-certified performance, it helps remove chlorine, metals, and impurities for better-tasting water every day. Easy to use, reliable, and budget-friendly. All for just $28. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. All for just $254. Blend smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks in seconds with the powerful Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender. Featuring a 1000W motor, easy twist-on start and stop control, and a convenient 24 ounces to-go cup, this compact blender is perfect for busy mornings and healthy lifestyles. Fast, portable, and easy to clean, all for just $46. Make baking easier and more fun with the 2026 new egg separator. A cute and clever kitchen tool that quickly separates egg yolks from whites with an easy squeeze and release design. Made from food-grade silicone, it's dishwasher-safe, mess-free, and perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep. Grab this handy kitchen gadget for just $13. Treat yourself anytime with the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. The fun and easy way to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and more right at home. Featuring 2 bowls and a compact aqua design, it's simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for quick homemade desserts. Enjoy delicious frozen treats for just $45. Prep garlic faster and cleaner with the Garlic Appeal Garlic Press, an all-in-one tool that crushes, cuts, minces, and stores garlic with ease. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, a silicone garlic peeler, and an easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Get fresh garlic flavor in seconds for just $19. Cook delicious meals in minutes with the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus, a versatile indoor electric grill perfect for pizzas, quesadillas, tortillas, nachos, pancakes, and more. Featuring a spacious 12-inch non-stick cooking surface for fast heating and easy cleanup, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick family meals and snacks. Enjoy tasty homemade favorites for just $43. Cook restaurant-quality rice at home with the Cuckoo high-pressure rice cooker. With a large 10-cup uncooked/20-cup cook capacity, it's perfect for families and gatherings. Featuring 13 smart menu options, fuzzy logic technology, a non-stick inner pot, steam plate, and helpful voice guide, it makes cooking effortless and precise. Powerful, modern, and only $280, your ultimate kitchen upgrade. Cook your favorite meals faster and easier with the versatile 2L electric steamer multifunctional cooker. Featuring a 2-liter ceramic glazed non-stick pot, dual power settings, quick heating, and overheat protection, it's perfect for steak, pasta, ramen, hot pot, and more. Compact, convenient, and easy to clean, all for just $58. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks at home with the 6.5-inch extra-wide feed chute cold press juicer. Designed to handle whole fruits with less prep and maximum juice extraction. This powerful 3-in-1 machine makes juice, sorbet, and nut milk while preserving natural nutrients and flavor. Easy to clean and perfect for home kitchens or gifting, this premium juicer is available for $200. Bring restaurant-quality cooking home with the Chef Power 5 Cutie enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Perfect for bread baking, braising, roasting, soups, and stews, this durable cast iron pot delivers even heat and long-lasting performance. Featuring a beautiful gradient red finish and oven-safe design, it's a stylish kitchen essential, all for just $55. Make perfect rice, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly with the Green Life ceramic non-stick rice cooker. Featuring a removable PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pot, one-switch operation, and automatic keep warm function, this compact cooker delivers easy, mess-free meals every time. Perfect for small kitchens and quick cooking, all for just $40.